Bruh. I mean, look at this. Like, perfect execution. You can't get any better than this. Damn. Alrighty, everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm super excited today because I have finally put money into my trading account. Today is the day. Technically, it's not my first day trading because I did well, I haven't placed any trades yet. I did trade yesterday, but I didn't take any trades. So, yeah, technically I traded yesterday, but yeah, nothing taken. So hopefully we take something today. I am feeling pretty confident about today. Just going to close some tabs so it's a little less slow, but feeling pretty confident about today. So we'll start off with my analysis for the day. So I am bearish for the dollar, even though we sort of are in this downtrend. Looks like we have taken out some key levels of we've swept some levels. So we've taken out this weekly low and this weekly low. And on the daily, looks like a clear sweep, right? And this daily fair value gap as well, the bullish daily fair value gap filled it right up. So I am I am bullish for the for UJ, and in 4 hourly chart, same thing, filled in this fair value gap. Don't think we quite filled in this one. So that is something to keep in mind, although we have swept these levels and it is looking like a pretty sort of nice sweep. So still 2 hours away from London, and we have made this sweep formation, so keep that in mind. But basically, I've marked out, I believe, was this a 5 minute or was this a 1 minute order block? Yeah, so 1 minute order block here and then a fair value gap run here. So if price hits around here and I get some maybe break out of this probably because it's quite a small one. If I get a break out from this level, so we touch in here and then break out from here, I'll take a long, and that would be yeah, that would be nice. It's quite a it's quite a big trade actually, quite a big stop loss to have. Maybe we won't put it right there. We could put it below these lows right here or something. Anyways, and then obviously targeting liquidity up here, up here, up here. Cool. Euro, same thing. Actually, Euro looks very nice as well. So on the day, we have this fair value gap that we've tapped into, taken up some highs, taken this high, 4 hour, double top here, taken that out. And was it the hourly that, or was that GU? Yeah, no. So basically, very clean level has been taken out. Nice sweep here. And we are starting to go down a bit, so that's good because it's still quite a while till London. So I do want to just see it go down and then up instead of just going straight back into this accumulation sweep area. But yeah, real simple. Same as UJ, tap into this order block. Nice bearish fair value gap here. Probably, I'm not sure if I'll want see price close out of this or not. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, real simple. Tap into this order block and fair value gap, and we'll take a short there. Targeting areas of liquidity here, here, and here's some hourly sell side here. So yeah, GU, same thing as well. I probably won't take a trade on all of these. I'll just see which one looks the best, and probably the best are. So far, UJ probably the least likely just because of that big stop loss size. Same thing, daily area taken out. 4 hour. This is the interesting thing. If you look at this, we have so price here didn't actually fill all of this bearish fair value gap. But we look at this. This is how you know this stuff works, right? What did price want to do here? Why did price come up this far? We look at this candle here. This is the start of the bearish fair value gap. Now, my mouse is hovering here, but if you look at the L here, just look at the price. So 126, 528. Remember the last three, 528. We come to this candle and look at the H, the high. How high did it come up? 528. So perfectly filled this bearish fair value gap. So, and we've had a nice reaction off that, swept these levels here, hourly, all these swept here. And if we go down to the 15/5 minutes, we can see more buy side was here and then swept these levels here. Very, very nice. So, yep. So from here, I can't remember if it was the 1 minute or not, but no, so it was roughly 5 minute-ish. Order block, you know, I'll see some kind of tap into this order block right here. And then, but at the same time, there's buy side here. So I'll just want to see if price comes up here, it'll hit the order block. So see price come sweep here, fill in this fair value gap, and then yeah, short that. Maybe we could look for more confirmation if I take say EU or UJ, just for extra confirmation. This could be a sweep here, so we'll see price come up, sweep, and then maybe we'll wait for price to retrace and then price to come back up into some order block fair value gap and then short it. Just extra confirmation. So that is an option. But if we don't get an EU trade or UJ, we can just take a trade straight up coming into here. So that is the analysis so far. I haven't looked at DXY actually. I should probably look at DXY, but I'll cut back when something happens. Goodbye. Hey, we are cooking along pretty good. So I'm gonna trade London Kill Zone, which is 8 o'clock, and we are 10 minutes away. Um, so here I've listed out this order block here, and then there's this fair value gap here. So probably unless this is some higher time frame order block. Oh no, yeah, this is the 5 minute fair value gap. So trade down here, touch this order block, and that is DXY. So that's how we're looking so far. UJ, we actually have some internal liquidity which we can sweep, which is pretty good. So some sell side here, and then a fair value gap here. Because originally I was wanting, I think this order block to get hit, but it's much better actually, a better entry right here, and then sell side, sweep that internal, fill fair value gap, perfect. So it is looking pretty good. Euro still the same. GU still the same. GJ not as confident, although we do have some kind of, because this bit did hit the order block. So there is an inversion fair value gap here as well as normal, and then obviously the order block here. So we will see what happens in 10 minutes if anything happens. Getting some action. Have GU going, I think we've just swept this here. Can I get rid of this red line? And then wow, big retracement. Not much of a sweep, but it was an entry. It is a sweep, I guess. Didn't enter there. Euro, same thing. I might jump in on this Euro just because that's giving us a better entry. GU, we have missed slightly, although still a still a potential. Would be good to see maybe we could retest it again, but just a little more of a sweep on this. So we're starting to come back up a bit. Um, maybe a close would be good. Oh, is there some lower time frame fair value gap? Yeah, right here. Close below that. I'm gonna get into that. Oh, might have missed that actually. Damn. Um, I missed my entry, bro. Damn. Could see some fair value gap entry on that. I don't miss my entry on this, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Is that still? Oh, it could be worse. Could be worse. Could maybe see a fair value gap entry on that. Just if we decide to come down quite a lot. Um, haven't seen anything on the on UJ quite yet though, which is good. So fair value gaps on Euro and GU, not GU. Maybe we'll see a better entry on Euro. Bro, this is freaking annoying, man. Hopefully we can get a re-entry. If I were to put like a limit here, um, damn, that's tough. I've moved my stop down as well to this high here because I think it's likely we will probably not come up to here. But I want to see, yeah, I want to see this fair value gap get filled. Ah, damn. Hey man, it is what it is. All right. I'm a little annoyed, but it's fine. A little order block here as well. I think that's up candle. Um, so we can climb back up into here, we should be good. Oh, sorry, I paused it. I just had people moving around in the background. Um, placed a euro sell limit, and I'm about to get into a GU. I want to see 50% mark hit of this fair value gap. And if we do that, I'm going to sell the market. So it'll be a little bit lower. Could be risky and actually play it a little higher just because I've got another euro going. Um, did hit that 50% mark. Probably we're gonna sell it. Okay. We're in a GU trade. First ever trade, baby. Let's go. Bro, oh frick, man. These spreads are so bad. Gosh. Where did it say I'm in? What the heck? Damn. That is bad, bro. Probably should have waited. It is what it is. Euro, how's Euro looking? Because Euro's probably going to want to come up here a bit, so GU might. We're in. Um, yeah, wow, that is bad. Gosh, man. Oh, damn. That's a bad entry. I'm not gonna lie. Uh, oh well. And is that's not even we gosh, bro, I would definitely need to get a better broker. UJ and GJ not giving anything just yet, so still holding off on those guys. Man, I really needed to have been been ready, right? I didn't realize it could have happened that quick, to be honest. I it's the first time me sort of trading London kill zone. I always thought that like I always traded London open, but not the kill zone, which happened an hour before. So I'm just still getting used to that. Yeah. All right. Um, gosh. 70, so it's probably put me up around here. And then the entry for this was 974. So entry is roughly, oh my gosh, probably around here, to be honest, man. Oh man, this was meant to be a good trading day, but it's slowly disintegrated. These are the improvements that I need to make, I guess. This is, yeah, my work-ons. Oh, damn. Um, well, as we can see as well, the dollar index basically on point, because we have this little order block here, basically on point, as we can see. So that's pretty good, but we just didn't quite get that UJ entry. No, and that, you know what, that's totally fine, okay? And GJ, same thing, right? It's not always going to hit, but we did get, fortunately, I think for the most part, we did get some well, not good entries, but we did hit everything we wanted to hit on these pairs. Yeah, so I will cut back when I take some profits and when stuff happens. First TP is probably gonna get smacked up for you. Uh, 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 uh. It's like I'm annoyed, but I know that I shouldn't be annoyed because it's going good, man. My first trade, But yeah, I'm grateful for what I've got, you know. Today's been very good, and I'm gonna leave it. I'm just going to hands off, hit the charts, do what they want to do now, prices, it's ripping, and yeah, it's a really, really good setup. So yeah. It's hard because I'm trading in pretty small lots, like I'm just doing a small balance to get used to trading with real money. Although MetaTrader only you can only do like zero, you can only do such small lots. So I can only close my position in 0.01 lots, and I did 0.03. So that's the lowest you can go. So I guess I can only do 3 take profits, each being 0.01 or a third. Yeah, so we will just let everything transpire, I guess. Bro, if I'd have, why am I getting emotional? Just be happy it's going good. Damn. Yeah. But next take profit hitting pretty soon. Hopefully we can keep this momentum up. Maybe, maybe. Let's see if we hit it. We're about to hit that one as well. Yeah, let's hit our Euro take profit. Oh, there we go. Cool. You're done, and you, well, I'll give you that. I'll leave that. Hmm. Yeah, I'll take a little bit of space. How do I have it? This other, turn off. Okay. Hit that take profit as well. Cool. We are in the green, and I'm going to move um my stops to break even so I can ensure the profit is secured. Um, so, yeah, we'll modify the GU one to probably around a little higher, a little bit below break even, just because I like to also look at areas that are, I guess, probable for price to come back at. Um, and looking here, I don't see price. Well, we could come back up here, but I highly doubt that'll at least be when I'm awake. So I'm going to, and there's this like order block move here. So I'm gonna move my stop to around this area here because yeah, I don't see price probably just 60. I don't see price coming back up here. That's my point. So why would I put um my stop loss there? Not trying to be like a paper hand or anything, but might just close the trades to be honest, because we're filling this bullish fair value gap here, and we've come down a lot, man. Like freaking 20 pips or so, you know? So I'm closing it, man. I'm actually happy with the progress, how far we've come. Yeah, so hit that on there, and then Euro, pretty good. Euro, the same thing, like 10-ish pips. I'm pretty happy with that move, to be honest. So I'm closing my trades for now. How much did I 7%? Sheesh, okay. All right. Could have risked too much. Probably should check check how much I do. Yeah, cool. Thank you for watching, everybody. Or I'll do a trade recap probably. Yeah. Goodbye for now.
Welcome to the trade recap. I'm in a different location. I'm at work. I am a lifeguard at a little local pool. So I'm just kind of, it's pretty chill. I can really just do whatever I want. I've got the pool like on my side vision, so don't worry. I'm watching the kids. Not in a weird way. But let's jump into the trade recap. Man, it was literally everything I called out, man, was perfect. Apart from the daily bias, but why does that matter when you can get a nice move down that we can take a trade on? So let's jump into it. Yeah, so we were calling a down move on GU. So, I mean, let's just go from the top down, right? So weekly, apart from this weekly, weekly highs being taken out, there was this weekly bullish fair value gap that may be something that could have been taken more into account. But really, apart from that, scaling down just straight to the 5 minute, you saw the analysis. Price did want to go rip up, just CPI, quite a lot of news recently. So hard to know where price wants to go. But apart from that, man, beautiful execution. Well, not on my part, but what I called out, buy side here, we see this buy side sweep here, and then we see a break of structure, order block right here, and more buy side price. It's literally like perfectly touches the area. I should have put some sell limit. I could have put a sell limit there, but no. And then yeah, nice move down. A good, you know, good 35 pips or so. Just beautiful, right? And then same with EU, hits just perfectly hits the entry spot and boom, straight down. It's just yeah, it's amazing. Same with I mean all four of them I literally called perfectly. Here, UJ, sell side here, see a sweep of that into an order block. I didn't label this price here, but it's some order block fair value gap on the lower time frame. You come in here and then you'll find some fair value gap entry there, and then it'll shoot off. So that's amazing as well. A good 100 pips or so you can get on that. And GJ was also amazing. So this one here was like a 1 minute. There's just like a normal fair value gap, inversion fair value gap, and an order block, all just in here. And we see price just nip it. And then even if you miss that, you have this little fair value gap in here that you can take a trade on. So that respected that perfectly and up from there. So only up. And that was just, yeah, I mean, price wanted to rip up upwards anyways. So very, very, very good trading day. DXY, of course, we can't forget about DXY. I mean, where were we saying for DXY? DXY did want to go the opposite way anyways, but oh well, actually no, hold it. We did miss DXY a little bit. Our entry was yeah. Okay. Not everything was perfect. Not everything was perfect. We were just a fraction away from that, but I'm still very happy with how it went. Sell side sweep, hourly fair value gap getting filled, order block, then rips. So very much a good trading day. Just need to work on the execution. And I need to be prepared for when the kill zone opens, because clearly this all occurred right, well, the first minute, right? And I wasn't ready for that. So that's a learning. And also, I did risk a little too much. It did go my way, but it could have easily just, straight down. So I need to learn how much I need to risk with my new trading account, because I'm starting to risk real money. But yeah, apart from that, good trading day. Thank you for watching.